Hello students. In today's video of dictionaries, let's try to execute this program. Print even numbers along with their cubes. Let's define one function that n is one parameter. D is one empty dictionary so that we can enter the values inside the dictionary. We have to display the even numbers. For that, we can design one for loop I in range 2 to n plus 1. Basically, n is the value entered by user. Then jumping of 2 is there. If I not in D, because D is already empty, di is equal to, suppose I write I multiply I multiply I. But basically we have to do cube of the entered value or the value from range 2 to n plus 1. Basically it's 2 to n because second value is excluded, and jumping of 2 is there, it means even values are there, and we have to calculate the cube of all the values. And now we have to display these values inside the dictionary. Suppose I write here A is equal to function. Suppose I pass 10. Let us execute the program. Then print A. Values are there 2, 8, 4, 64, 6, 216, 8, 512, 10, then 1000. It means you can print the value along with their cubes. As per the desired value, you can print the data. Suppose I write 100. You can print all the values according to your choice. It means you can print all the values along with their cube. Suppose I have to display the values in different lines, not in the dictionary, but using dictionary, the data should be in different lines. Print suppose I am using for loop for I in A. Then print I along with their value. Basically first is the key and second is the value string, then A I. Let's try to print this value. Suppose I hide this one. You can display the content starting from 2 up to 100. You can display the cube of all the values. You can display the content as per your requirement. Let's try to execute one more thing. Suppose I have to calculate the square root of these numbers. Suppose I am writing here a range. Suppose I write n only. Then execute the program. It means it's from 1 to 0 to 19. It means you can write here 1 to n plus 1. It means you can print the value from 1 to 20. If I write here 2 and jumping of 2 is there, then I can print the even values only. If I start from 1, then I can print the value, all the odd values basically. It means depending upon your programming skill, you can display the content. These are the even values as per our requirement of today's program. Even values along with their cubes. Let's try to execute one more. Suppose I import math, then math dot sqrt, then passing of I, then execute. You can display square root of the values from 2 to 20 only of even values. Suppose I have to control the decimal point, then I can write round, comma 3. Suppose up to 3 point of decimal we have to display the things. You can display accordingly. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. Then square root of these values. Let us read today's video. The first thing, I display the even numbers along with their cubes. Then square root of the even numbers up to 3 places of decimal. You can write here also. Square root of the numbers up to 3 places of decimal. Square root of, you can write even numbers. But you can display according to your choice. If I'm writing 1 here, then you can display the square root of odd numbers, and by using this command you can print the square root from 1 to 20 of all the numbers. Hope you are enjoying the video and understanding concepts. Thanks for watching my video.